mga paghihirap na mga... Hindi ako pipicture mo, hindi yan.
Picture lang dalawa kung ano dam. Laro agaw, picture na kita.
Para.
Yan! Go. Sit naman. Go.
So, ko lang po yung... Hi everyone! So for today's video, okay, and so I am also making a video. So gagawa ko ng video for a paid collaboration for Glowcam. Yes, you have a paid collaboration for Glowcam. And yes, meron din mga paid collaboration with Tipsy Chat, with Lititone, with Gymlit.com, with Portra AI. So if you want to collaborate with me, DM me. Meron tayong i-unbox sa parcel, and which is, I'm so super excited to use this mic. So, guys, pinahiram niya ako ng damit. May sando pa yun. Pinahiram niya ako ng damit kasi nagrampa kami for a parade uniform. And you know, I'm super late and I don't know if naka-video ako that time. And yes, let's go to try it. It's so hard, guys. Finally, so let's try it, guys. Alisin na natin yung... So, this is the receiver. Wait, where's the receiver? We have a iPhone and USB. Try it. Hi guys,
Pangit, ako nakikita.
ay tingin lang ako. Lagay dito. Cheers. Hindi! Alam mo kumatulog ka na lang. Hindi nag-glass ako. Ito kumain na ako. Ako kumain din ako kumain. Mag-picture din ako. Guys, this is our CCTV.
Uy!
Mika, kung pagpipilian ka ng isang duo at ang final duo mo, sino pili? Hi guys, so for today's video, we are going to... Ha? To Dagupan! Yes. Because we're done securing Byunwoso. Thank you! Thank you guys for trusting us. And we're going to buy my best Dagupan. Oh, we don't like standing, so we will try to secure. Hi guys. This in the ticketing day left. And dito sa is photo card, yun, Dunkin photo card of nag-unbox lang tayo, pinakita ko lang. And then we have also the the Dunkin pillow, which is this Wako pillow. And also the ticket, I cannot show you because it's privacy. Privacy! So yes, so I hope see you soon. Bye. I just color blue na siya. Hi guys, we're here. Ba't ang lip naman ang reaction nito? Hi guys, nasa Squid Game po kami. Ba't yung nakikita? Dito kasi yung camera. Kaya nga ayaw kong magpatayo eh. Kaya nagbe-video. Ayaw ko pa naman ng barilin tayo dito.
Yung papatalo.
Ano ba yung technique nito? Wala, dumidikit siya sa ano.
Suko na, okay. Kayo na lang natin. Ako pa kasi siya.
Parang siyang kape na ano. Gusto ko. Hi.
Ay pa.